Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the CVT and your XSE Package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a head-turning Barcelona red. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. With your XSE Package you have your navigation system on your upgraded 7-inch touch panel display, as well as your tire pressure monitor and your push start. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy proximity key. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have your turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up these doors here, and by simply waving my hand over the handle there, it'll unlock for me. So you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, we have a stunning sporty interior. You have that contrasting blue trim, as well as your power windows and your power locks. On the side here, you have some convenience features like your power adjustable side mirrors and your heated side mirrors, as well as that heated steering wheel for your comfort. Your Corolla comes fitted with all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, as well as your power adjustable driver seat so you're nice and comfortable driving away in your new Corolla. And tying everything together, you have that contrasting white stitching, that blue trim, and your soft black leather interiors all throughout, bringing that sporty style. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Corolla with your proximity key, simply foot on the brake and you press that push start button there. That dashboard's going to light up with that welcome screen. Check out that cool ambient lighting. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. So right now that was open to your Toyota Safety Sense features. You have your audio system, your compass, plenty of other things that you can play around with when you come in for a test drive. You also do have your leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated. Your other steering wheel mounted controls include your hands-free calling, your voice command, your volume control. Below here you do have your cruise control settings, and you have your dynamic radar cruise control and your lane departure alert as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Again, taking a look at your LCD screen, you have your CD player on top, your AM/FM radio, and your Sirius XM radio. You do have your auxiliary USB import as well, and with that Bluetooth audio you can bring your music wherever you go. Opening up your applications now, your navigation system is equipped in your Corolla, so come on in, punch in your home address and see how it works for you. It'll definitely be perfect for that road trip you are planning. Going into reverse now, you see that your backup camera does show up right there, which is a standard feature of your Toyota Safety Sense. Below you have your modern styling in your climate control. You have your automatic climate control, as well as these chrome tabs to adjust all of the features. Below, keeping you nice and warm, you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger, as well as your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary import. You do have that storage below there for your media. You have that blue contrasting stitching all the way across your dashboard. Those nice fan details that we know and love about our Toyotas. You also do have your leather trim right on your shift knob there. You have your different drive modes, so your sport mode and your traction control, your parking brake, your cup holders with those removable pieces to keep everything nice and clean. Inside of your center console you have that removable piece to make it nice and easy to maintain, as well as that top shelf for any smaller items. Inside your glove box you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla, and tying together everything with the technology and the style.
plenty to see inside, but why don't we head on back, take a look at cargo.
Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob. It'll pop open for you. Nice and handy when you have your hands full. Plenty of space to store everything that you need in the back of your sedan, as well as your handy 40-60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Underneath your hardcover, you do have your tools and your jack, as well as your spare tire storage in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You have a cargo lamp in there for visibility, as well as your emergency release inside. Closing it up. Below, you do have your backup camera as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. And you also have that XSE badging as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the CVT and your XSE package, loaded with convenience options like your smart key system, as well as your solid rear disc brakes, and all of the features included in your Toyota Safety Sense, like your lane departure warning and pre-collision system, to keep you riding nice and smooth. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.